Three favorite local metal bands. I mean, there's quite a few to choose from, right? And not an easy choice, but here are mine. We have pt.I, obviously, who bring their modern metal groove to the masses and with massive productions. So definitely check out pt.I. Second, we have dear to my heart, who opened a new spectrum for hardcore music for me. Is Blanket Hill with the latest record, The Ash That Shall Remain. Amazing. The guys are amazing. It's really, really worth listening to. These guys are awesome. And last but not least, a band that is very important to me because they inspire me a lot in what I do personally is Pleasing, with their post-hardcore-ish emo vibe that they have. It's maybe not as metal as some of you might like, but it's definitely one of the most underrated bands we have out there. They just know how to deliver on emotional level, and the shows are amazing. So yeah, there you have it. These were my three favorite local metal bands. So check out the other few, what they have to offer.